Establishing multiple shipping methods for various regions is a breeze with EasyStore. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to set up different shipping methods for different states within a region in mere minutes. Begin by accessing your Joomla dashboard and selecting EasyStore under Components. Navigate to Settings, then select Shipping. Now, simply click on Add New Region to proceed. This will let you access the options related to the shipping regions and delivery methods. Now add a suitable shipping name and proceed to add the states. We are only selecting the states where we want to apply the flat rate shipping method. Don't forget to hit Apply to save your chosen states. Go to the Shipping Method section and choose the flat rate option. The flat rate method lets you set specific shipping rates regardless of the weight or size of the items being shipped. With it, you can set up various shipping options such as standard delivery, express delivery, or even free shipping. Go on and add the shipping option name, include the estimated delivery time if you wish to, and add the rate. Tick this option if you want to offer free delivery on orders exceeding a specific value. Enter the amount and hit Apply. Similarly, you can go ahead and add more shipping options to meet your preference. To offer your customers free shipping, simply designate the shipping option name as free shipping and set the rate to 0. Or simply choose the free shipping option and add a shipping option name and an estimated delivery time. Once you are happy with the changes, hit Save Changes. Now let's set the shipping method for the states where we wish to apply the rate by weight method. Click on the Add New Region button and repeat the process shown previously. While adding the states, only add the ones where you wish to provide the rate by weight shipping method. Hit Apply and proceed to configure the shipping method. Choose the rate by weight option and add the shipping option name and estimated delivery time. Add your weight range and the corresponding rates. Hit Apply and save the changes. Time to see the results. Here, you'll find all of your configured shipping states. Once your customers select their states, they will see the corresponding rates and estimated delivery times displayed. When the purchase is more than $100, the shipping cost is free since we previously set our settings like that. However, if customers opt for express delivery, the shipping rate is applicable and calculated with the total amount. When the purchase cost is under $100, shipping charges apply to both standard and express delivery options. And in regions where we've opted for the rate by weight delivery method, the shipping cost is calculated based on the weight of the product. Give your customers a smooth shopping experience with EasyStore's adaptable shipping choices. Stay tuned for more tutorials on EasyStore.